This is the 6th video of the creation of the universe in Manzoor Discovery Channel. Friends, our next video is a coronavirus. Coronavirus is a very dangerous virus. Every human being has a cure for it. Share this message to save someone's life. In the creation of the universe, many secrets of the universe will be revealed. The Quran, in the light of the hadiths of the Holy Prophet SWS and Nahj al-Galaha, and with solid practical evidence, will prove that the earth is static. The whole sky, including the sun, moon, stars, and planets, revolves around the earth. What are the heavens made of? The sun is many times smaller than the earth. How are tides formed, moon attraction or ocean draft? You will be surprised to know this. What would happen to the earth if the sun were big? What gases are there in the sun? Find out which planet has life on it. Did you know that man will one day walk on these planets of the solar system and come back to Earth? Why are animals bound by nature? Do animals and birds suffer as much as humans? Do they worship Allah? Friendly birds not only worship Allah Almighty, but some birds also perform tahajjud. Friends, there is such a bird on land. Even the extreme heat and cold do not spoil this bird. It lives its whole life under the open sky. Strange events in the life of the butterfly, and the environment of colorful color-changing insects. The sniffing ability of chanoti, and the production of honey, bee is thousands of times more than humans. What is the real reason that living beings are afraid of human beings? Watch it all on Manzoor Discovery Channel.